In this lesson, we're going to learn all about perimeter. So if you have a problem like this that says, what is the perimeter of the rectangle? And you can see a rectangle here with a length of 30 centimeters and a width of 25 centimeters. So the first thing to do, step one, the perimeter of a shape is the distance around the shape. So you need to understand what perimeter means. The perimeter of a shape is the distance around the shape. So imagine yourself walking around the entire outside of the rectangle. So you could start here, walk here, walk here, walk here, walk here, and then end up exactly where you started. The next step is to notice that not all the sides have lengths on them. And it's important to know here that the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So if this is 30 centimeters, then this is going to be 30 centimeters. Okay, you can see they're exactly the same length. So if this is 25 centimeters, then this is going to be 25 centimeters. So we could label that in. Okay, so they've been labeled in. Now, all we have to do now is add all the side lengths to get the perimeter. So what we do is we add 30 plus 25, so 30 plus 25, then plus 30 plus another 25. So when you add those all together, you get 110. And then you need to understand that the perimeter formula for a rectangle is this. It's 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. So you do these operations in brackets first, and then these operations in brackets. And that's how you get the perimeter of a rectangle. So finally, the perimeter of the rectangle is 110 centimeters. Centimeter is the symbol is cm, and this is a measure of length. Okay, so it's a measure of length. So for the 2 times L plus 2 times W, we have 2 lengths and then we have 2 widths. And that's how that formula comes about. And that's the end of the lesson. And don't worry if you don't get it right away. Practice makes improvement. There's nothing wrong with repetition. You could just rewatch the video. Also, you could follow along in the ebook. You could download it, and I have this exact lesson in the ebook. You could follow along as you watch the video. Also, I have resources in the description, and I have links to other videos of mine that are like this. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.